Hi, do you have cleaning and clutter issues at your house? Do you feel like it's hard to get time to vacuum and to clean up the clutter piles and make it neat and clean? I think most people do. I'm Marcia Ramsland, your organizing pro, and I always love to give the easiest, fastest way to get your house looking nice. So our tip in day 3, when we work on cleaning and clutter in the Fresh Start course, is to make a list of the top 5 things that make your house look great. When I was first married, I dusted my house, and my husband came home and said, "What did you do all day?" And I thought, "I cleaned house." And another day that same week, I was put out the vacuum and I thought, "I'm going to do this. I'm going to do a good job." And I never got to it all day. And then all of a sudden, I realized he'd be home in 10 minutes. So I quick vacuumed the apartment we lived in, put it away, and he came in and he went, "Wow, you cleaned the whole house." And I thought, aha, I'm going to skip the dusting and I'll vacuum from now on. So it's important to know what makes your house look nice. I give people the morning pickup, the evening pickup, and we save time. It doesn't take time, we save time. And in that week, in the class, we also cover the 10-item project list. We also cover things like, where do you put your grocery shopping? Where do you have time to do changing the bed linens? What kind of a weekly cleaning schedule do you need to have? And we customize it for you. People are so happy in the course because they feel like, I never had a schedule. And now I don't feel guilty about the things I don't do. And I rotate the things in that I need to. Fresh Start to a New Organized You, the 7-week program that will take you, your home, your paperwork, and your time all organized. Go to organizingpro.com and sign up there, and I'll see you in class. We're going to have a great time, and we're going to get your home clean and on a schedule. Bye for now.